Mufti-functional cleaning kit. Aquarium gravel vacuum cleaner kit is a Mufti-functional aquarium cleaner that adopts, the siphon design principle, which includes the aquarium sand washing, algae scraping, fish excrement cleaning, aquarium residual debris, and aquarium water changing. Quick water change gives fish a clean and comfortable aquarium living environment. A wide range of combination accessories: 1 air pressure control body, 2 water inlet pipe, 1 water pipe connector, 1 duck mouth suction, 1 outlet pipe, 79 PVC hose, 1 water flow clamp, 1 water pipe clamp, 1 aquarium temperature sticker, 1 fishing net, 1 user manual, equipped with 2 inlet pipes can be combined according to the size of the fish tank. New upgrade function. The unique light manual press type design provides both convenience and pleasing appearance without electricity. The sand washer is equipped with 2 internal thickened airbags which can pump the water quickly. Aquarium siphon outlet pipe of the filter basket also equipped with filter, which not only avoids gravel blocking and all kinds of dirt, but also protect your lovely fish and small gravel from suction out of the tank. Easy to use and assemble. When the fish tank siphon is in use, hold the handle and press it continuously for several times to observe whether it will automatically pump the water out. If not, repeat the operation until the water flows out, then stop the pressure, and secure it on the top of the tank. You will see the water automatically flows out. The aquarium gravel cleaner kit is designed to be attached to the tank and has a flow regulator. After sales, customer satisfaction is of our top priority. If you are not satisfied with our aquarium gravel cleaner, please feel free to contact us and we will reply you within 24 hours. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect gravel pump. Easy to use, works a lot better than the tube with the hose kind you get everywhere else. The only thing I could suggest as an update or a flaw is the scraper should have some rubber like a squeegee rather than just hard plastic. But I would buy again in a heartbeat.